welcome. Holy moly. They're never accessible, are they, on jackets, vents? It's always a nightmare. You always have to break your wrist or get cramping somewhere to undo the thing. But on the arms, you know, where it's all gathered up, you can't even get it past, like, halfway up. Moan, moan, moan. It's the German coming out of me. The Brits are just like, it doesn't matter. So you just get a little bit wet, you just get a little bit cold. See the positive. Imagine if you went off the edge there, you'd never be found. I would though. I've got the SOS function, which I've tested. It works. Phone you up and ask you want to send an ambulance to you. No, I've just dropped it like a fucking donut. Still, it's a nice thing to have, I think. Might be a bit gimmicky for some people, but I think if you're touring alone like I do a lot of the time, and you were to have a crash, someone's going to come and dig you out of the river. Give it a bit of pasty on this bit. Nice bit of road surface. Not anymore. Windy up here. Oh, look at that rock formation up there. Amazing. You wouldn't want to go off the edge there, straight to the bottom. Probably hit a few rocks on the way down. Come out of the seat. Oh wow. Definitely gravelly. How many cards did you see just then? Oh, I spotted 3. Is he waiting? NC500 John O Groats. John Scroats. John has a goat. the sun's coming out. How about that? An itchy schnoz. Woo. Where are we at, Sean? Where are we at? 95 miles to go to the hotel. Oh, we're pretty much, we're nearly at the top left. It's about as north as it gets. No, it's raining. Quick, turn the cameras off. Oh, it is gushing it down over there. Oh, we're nearly at the most northerly, westerly tip. Northwesterly tip even, Sean, to speak English. Of the UK. Can I just mince on into the campsite, or is reception? Quite fancy stopping here for a little look-see. Just find somewhere to stop, Sean. Just pull over. I'm gonna go on the grass here.
Yeah. Here's to the good days. Here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. To get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
Right then, 77 miles to go. Doesn't seem that far, but 77 is still a bit of a lick. What time is it now? 1 o'clock. Arrive at 3:30, 4 o'clock-ish. 4:30 if I want to have another break. Fine by me.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best.
Right, well I think I'm going to crunch out a few miles, see where we get to, and I shall check back in a bit later. Oh, this is an interesting one. Jesus. Well gang, 7.6 miles to go. Took quite a long time to get along the north coast. Lots of single track again, so it took some time. And plus you're not going any sort of great speed, so it does take a while to get along. The weather held out in the end, just the odd couple of showers. But sunshine well and truly buggered off. Could possibly only mean one thing, that tomorrow is going to be a wet one. I'll have to have a look. Yeah, I was thinking about going along all the way down to John O Groats today, because it's not actually that far from the hotel, and then coming back the way tomorrow. But I think I'm just going to stick with the plan. I think I'm just going to get to the hotel. It's probably about 5-6 miles, maybe 10-ish down to John O Groats from the hotel, and then I'm going to go down the east coast. Sod it. Started it now, I've got to do the entire thing. I'm definitely not as baggage as I was yesterday, although today was equally as hard going. I think you get sort of a bit more bike fit, don't you? You get used to the aches and pains, but they are starting to creep in now. I think throughout the day, don't you, when you start to get fatigued, you don't engage your core, you tend to slouch a bit. You stop sort of gripping the tanks with your legs because your legs are tired or your knees are aching, and then you just sit like a sack of shit on your bike. And I think that's what makes it worse on the old arse. Coming up on a nice beach down here. Thurso Bay. Oh, I say beach. It's not some of the tropical beaches that I passed on the way up here. That's not as great. That's not one for sunbathing on. That's more for windsurfing and seal clubbing. Sorry. Didn't mean that. I must say though, the bike has been an absolute pleasure to ride. I'm talking like it's over. I've still got days left. So I've got a ride all the way down to Inverness tomorrow, just the other side of Inverness, and then from there another day's ride. Well, probably not. I'm going to see if I can get down there a bit quicker. 3 or 4 hours ride up down to my folks' house. Spend 2 days there. And then I've got a ride all the way down to Yorkshire for the Wild Bad Weekender, but I'm doing another overnighter sort of 3/4 of the way down, or probably not actually, it's probably nearly all the way down. Overnighter, friends coming up to meet me, and we're going to have a ride out on the next morning, and then from there that will be the Friday. I then I get picked up by Richie and his gang. So we've got his ride out. Don't know how long that is. It's around Peak District. and then down to the Weekender, where I'm just gonna, hopefully it doesn't piss it down, pitch the tent. I'm just gonna have a couple of days off the bike, drinking lager, and then from there make my way back to the ferry port and back home. But any road, I am nearly there. I'd like to thank you all for watching and come along for today's episode. There will be I'll stick a link to the playlist, which has got every episode in it, up the top or down in the description, one or the other. So if you are new to the channel and you're just coming along for today's ride, you can check out the other episodes on what I get up to previously. Do be sure to leave me a like and bung me a comment down below. It does help the channel no end, so thank you for that. But otherwise, I've been Sean. I shall see you in the next one. See you out there. I think that is the hotel. Castletown Hotel, it is. Well, a spa shop next door and a petrol station. Right, I shall see you next time. See you later. Oh, it's closed. Brilliant. Pay at pump after 5 PM Monday to Friday, after 12 PM Saturday, Sunday, and all day on Sunday. Roger.
Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.